Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. The wind is really whipping today, so I'm gonna do the best that I can. I'm sorry if you can hear the wind in my video. So I have a 1999 Sundowner, and this is an all aluminum Sundowner. So this 99 actually has an aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum floor. It is a 2-horse slant load with a collapsible rear tack, and it does have a mid tack and a good sized dressing room. The dressing room is actually, standing here looking at it, I haven't measured it, looks to be like a 5-foot short wall, and then it's got the mid tack on the slant wall. So this trailer has a good bit of storage, a good bit of room. It does have an awning and an air conditioner. It does have electric hookups. So I'm just gonna kind of go around. It does have the windows with the bars, so the drop down windows with bars. This trailer does have a rear ramp. 50/50 doors on the back. And actually the rear tack is folded up, but it does have a rear tack as well. So 2-horse slant. The horse box is immaculate. There's absolutely nothing that I can fault the trailer for. It has been lightly used and definitely well taken care of. It does have a walk-through door to the mid-tack, a walk-through door to the dressing room. So it has all that. All the padding is good on this trailer. 7 tall, 6'9" wide. Mats are in great shape. Divider's in great shape. Like I said, I can't really fault it for anything back here. So that rear tack is folded up. But big and open. I mean, if you had a big horse, you've got that whole back stall. Here's the actual way to hook up the electric. It's got a couple outlets in there. And like I said, it does have an air conditioning unit. So that's where you hook up your 110 power. Spare. It is a manual jack. Let me just kind of cut through here. So, as I said, the mid-tack's on a slant wall. Super clean trailer. I mean, there's no real issues with this trailer whatsoever. I can't really fault it for anything. If you know, I can't. Full running boards. So the mid-tack, like I said, has a swing out saddle rack that can be moved to the back. Blanket bar, bridle hooks. Basically, like I said, it's a pretty big dressing room. They've got a boot box. You got little curtains in here. Like I said, it's got an air conditioning unit. Little cabinet here for hanging clothes and storage. So this is a 5 or 6 foot short wall. The walls are insulated, the roof is not. So it does have, as I said, outlets. Okay, so 1999, kind of a unique trailer. You don't really see 2-horse with a dressing room and a mid-tack. 1999 Sundowner. Pretty nice trailer, guys. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day. Bye.